Welcome to our recycling plant. Today, I'll show you exactly how dirty plastic bottles are washed and turned into brand new ones.
The washed flakes must meet strict cleanliness standards before moving to the next stage of the recycling process.
Levels are dropping here.
Contamination is spiking.
I've adjusted the flow rate. We're back in.
Every batch is purified and refined to match the quality of new plastic. Every bottle is tested before it's ready to be used again.
And that's how dirty plastic bottles get washed and turned into brand new ones.